Have you ever wondered how deadlifts can change your body? Imagine an exercise so powerful, it engages multiple muscle groups, from your legs and back to your core and arms. That's the magic of deadlifts, an all-encompassing tool in your fitness arsenal. They not only promote muscle growth but also correct imbalances, improve posture, and boost your overall strength. But this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the transformative potential of deadlifts. Stay tuned as we dive into the specifics of how deadlifts can revolutionize your body. Deadlifts aren't just any exercise, they're a total body workout. They're the Swiss Army knife of strength training, hitting multiple muscle groups all at once. From your lower back to your hamstrings, and even your core, deadlifts have you covered. They're like the ultimate multitasker of the gym world, but it's not just about muscle growth. Deadlifts are also your personal posture corrector. By engaging and strengthening those back muscles, they help straighten you up, giving you that confident, commanding presence. Say goodbye to slouching. And let's not forget about strength. Deadlifts are like a power pack, increasing your overall strength, making you a powerhouse. They're not just lifting weights, they're lifting your capabilities, your potential. Oh, and did we mention calorie burning? Yes. Deadlifts are also your secret weapon against those stubborn calories. With every lift, every strain, you're not just building muscle, you're torching calories. But the benefits of deadlifts don't stop there. Let's dig deeper. Deadlifts do more than just sculpt your physique. They're a powerhouse of an exercise, working far beyond the surface of your muscles. When performed correctly, deadlifts contribute significantly to developing lower body power. They engage multiple muscle groups, allowing you to lift more, jump higher, and run faster. But the benefits don't stop there. Deadlifts also trigger the release of anabolic hormones, which are key for muscle growth and repair. This hormone boost not only helps you build more muscle, but it also aids in overall body recovery and resilience. Deadlifts also play a role in strengthening your cardiovascular endurance. By engaging so many muscle groups at once, your heart rate is kept high, providing a fantastic cardiovascular workout. Importantly, deadlifts also promote grip strength and bone mineral density. The act of holding onto the bar strengthens your grip, which carries over into everyday tasks. As for your bones, the load from the lift stimulates bone growth, helping to keep them strong and healthy. Remember, the key to reaping these benefits is proper form. So, consult with a fitness professional to ensure you're performing deadlifts correctly. Deadlifts are more than just lifting a bar off the ground. They are a powerhouse exercise, engaging multiple muscle groups to promote growth and correct imbalances. The strength you gain doesn't just stay in the gym, it translates to improved posture and increased overall power. Not to mention, deadlifts are efficient calorie-burning machines, contributing to cardiovascular endurance and releasing beneficial anabolic hormones. They also strengthen your grip and boost bone mineral density while carrying a lower risk of injury, provided you maintain proper form. So, are you ready to incorporate deadlifts into your workout routine and witness the transformation yourself? Are you feeling inspired and ready to take your workouts to the next level? If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about fitness techniques, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Join our growing fitness community as we share more tips, tricks, and transformation stories. Let's reach our health goals together. Remember, it's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting each other up. Stay strong, stay motivated, and let's deadlift our way to a healthier, happier life.